Hey guys, welcome back for another video. We're here hooking it up today with a few sandwiches. So I'm going to show you what we got already over here. Okay, we've got these nice wheat and Italian buns. We've got turkey and ham, some Swiss cheese, some Colby Jack cheese. We're going to hook it up with some spinach. We're going to do like a Subway imitation today. We've got a head of lettuce, regular romaine lettuce, because that's always fun. We're going to finish it off with some, they're called pepper rings, but you all know these really are peppers. And of course, on the bread side, we got to do lettuce and mayonnaise. So I've already started with some bell peppers here, y'all. And I'm just going to go ahead and finally slice these nice red onions here that Mom picked out.
Hey.
Say hi to the vlog, Mom.
Hey, vlog. How you doing?
Comment down below if y'all like Subway, guys. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like Subway. Okay. So, we're not going to peel the whole entire thing. We're just going to get it a little bit, to where we can do some nice, well, this should be good. We don't really need that many onions. And I don't know if you've seen our guacamole video, our guacamole in 10 minutes, but in that video, I taught y'all how to pop those out in the middle, these little things. Just go ahead and pop them right out, because you don't need those. Those are not what we need. Okay, y'all, so just go ahead and slice these up real quick into the, kind of like how they do at Subway. We don't want to get like clumps of red onion in our... The only thing that we forgot was tomato and pickles, but we're not going to do all that today. And oil and vinegar and all that stuff. Like, if you really wanted to get creative, instead of just regular mustard, you can do like some brown mustard. We have some of that. You can throw some capers on there. I don't know. But, okay, so let's go ahead and start preparing our sandwiches. We're going to make Mom's first.
Wheat bread.
Mom gets wheat bread. So you just want to go ahead and cut into the bread like that. But you only want to get it on half of the side, because you want to keep this side still kind of open like they do at Subway. Okay? And if you were like carb conscious or whatever, you can just go ahead and pull all that extra bread out in the middle. But we want all the bread today. We're going to make them both at the same time. I'm kind of sad that Subway doesn't have avocados anymore. They have like this guacamole spread. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and start spreading on our mayonnaise. And we're going to use Hellmann's mayonnaise, because Hellmann's, I think, is the best. Other than, like, some people like Best Foods or like Walmart brand. No, we use Hellmann's in this house. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and spread that on like so. We didn't do it like how Subway does it and start with the meat first, but okay. So we just, boom, like that.
Hey.
And I'm the kind of, I like to get all the corners on the bread, okay? So it's got to be all the corners. And since this is kind of like a thick bread, we kind of want to just like, not thinly spread on the condiments. You kind of want to like use a little bit more than you normally would. Since this is a brand new mustard, we're just going to go ahead and open this up like so. They have these little flaps on the side, so that you can make it easier to open. And I have nails, so it's going to be a little bit hard. I would just use my teeth, but I'm going to actually use... Okay. Give it a nice shake. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side. Always has to make that sound, y'all. Always has. Give it a... Comment down below if you like your condiments to make that sound. Okay, so that's enough for the mustard. Mom wants ham. I think I'm going to go with ham too. I was originally feeling turkey, but I think I'm going to go with ham. This is H-E-B brown sugar ham, y'all. This is so good. So good. We didn't sample it, and we didn't request like it to be cut a certain size, because at H-E-B you can do that. So we're just going to go ahead and do this. We're just going to go ahead and throw like 3 nice little sliced pieces on there. Okay. All right. Mom's gonna go with Swiss cheese today. This is also from H-E-B, y'all. Okay, so we'll get fancy how they do at Subway and cut it into triangles. Okay. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and go with the Colby Jack. Colby Jack's kind of fun to me today. That's for the dog. All right, y'all. Now for the red onions. Just kind of use those sparingly. Don't want to put too much. Maybe some green bell peppers. My mouth is watering already, y'all. Can you see good?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. Now, we probably should have started with the lettuce and the spinach, but just put that on like so. There's no really fancy way of doing it, guys. You just want to get it on there. Okay. And they always say to wash your vegetables before that. Oh, ain't nobody got time for all that today. We're not doing all that today. Okay, so just go ahead and throw on a nice piece of iceberg. Almost there, guys. Almost there. My mouth is watering right now. I can eat these by like, just eat these by the jump. Okay, so that's what they look like, open-faced. Oh my God, we forgot something. We forgot the black olives. Told y'all we were gonna be like Subway. Okay. I should have meal prepped all this yesterday, like I said I was, but what happened was I got really sick and just didn't have any time to do all that. So, okay. We're just gonna take these and dice them up, just, you know, real easy, y'all. Nothing fancy in this kitchen, okay? Like they do at Subway. Alright. And that's it, guys. Just like that. You have yourself a sandwich in like less than 5 minutes. And it's cheaper than Subway. It's going to be better than Subway. And if you liked it, SLC, y'all. Comment, like, subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. So, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
Fold it, cut it, and take a bite.
Okay.
Not mine, just do yours first.
Okay.
Look at that sandwich. Wow. That's a Lexi Lex sandwich. Hey.
Oh my God.
Look at that sandwich. She's going to even take a bite for you with those pretty white teeth.
Mmm. It's so good. I think it's better than Subway. Because Subway doesn't have the Colby Jack. But you can definitely taste the freshness and the crunchiness. One more.
Look in the camera when you're eating.
Really good. It is a really good sandwich, y'all. A really good sandwich. We forgot jalapenos too. Mmm. Well,
Make sure you guys subscribe.
we're going to go ahead and enjoy these.
Let us know what else you want us to do on our vlog. Right now, we're going to just say, we love ya. Peace.